NASDAQ NTGR. Los Angeles Capital Management and Equity Incorporated owns 30,165 shares. New York Stock Exchange HBI by 159,871 shares to 364,293 shares, valued at $8.44 million in 2017 Q2, according to the filing. Macguire, Cheswick and Tuttle Investment Counsel LLC, who had been investing in Nike Incorporated Class B for a number of months, seems to be less bullish on the $90.24 billion market cap company. Its opening price on the last trading day was $78.83. Douglas Winthrop Advisors Ltd Liability holds 616,272 shares. Microsoft Corporation has a 12-month low of $57.28 and a 12-month high of $79.34. It is outperformed by 17.82% the S&P 500. Farmers National Bank increased its stake in 3M Company, MMM, by 70.96% based on its latest 2017 Q2 regulatory filing with the SEC. Columbia Wanger Asset Management Llc sold 36,143 shares as Lamar Advertising Co, LAMR, stock declined 9.40%. The Brown Advisory Incorporated holds 6.15 million shares with $423.85 million value, up from 4.98 M last quarter. Lamar Advertising Company now has $5.59 B valuation. The stock rose 3.52%, or $1.88, reaching $55.31. About 14.15 M shares traded. Automotive Properties Real Estate MTR, APR.UN, has 0.00% since October 25, 2016 and it is underperformed by 16.70% the S&P 500. Since April 28, 2017, it had 0 buys and 1 insider sale for $377,212 activity. Morfett G. Mason sold $481.95 million worth of stock. Nichols Pratt Advisors LLP MA has invested 1.54% in Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT. Courtois Jean Philippe sold $1.81 million worth of stock, or 26,165 shares. Gates William H3 sold $172.24 million worth of stock, or 2.50 million shares. Therefore 88% are positive. Cheviot Value MNGMT Limited Liability Corporation holds 163,178 shares. The rating was maintained by Nomura with buy on Tuesday, April 19. Stifel Nicolaus upgraded the shares of MSFT in report on Thursday, August 13 to buy rating. The firm has buy rating by RBC Capital Markets given on Monday, May 29. Piper Jaffray maintained the stock with buy rating in Friday, July 21 report. Finally, Boston Partners grew its position in shares of Microsoft Corporation by 14.1% during the first quarter. BMO Capital Markets initiated the shares of MSFT in report on Friday, January 8 with outperform rating. Wunderlich maintained the stock with buy rating in Thursday, September 8 report. The institutional investor held 167,860 shares of the prepackaged software company at the end of 2017 Q2, valued at $11.57 million, up from 5,500 at the end of the previous reported quarter. Elm Limited Company owns 4,585 shares for 0.26% of their portfolio. Technology Select Sector SPDR, XLK, was reduced to. Investors of record on Thursday, November 16 will be paid a 42-cent dividend. It's up 0.04 from 0.78 in 2017 Q1. It dropped as 39 investors sold MSFT shares, while 982 reduced holdings. Other hedge funds and other institutional investors have also recently made changes to their positions in the company. Harbor Invt Ltd Liability Com holds 84,971 shares, or 4.28% of its portfolio. Seatown HLDGPT Ltd owns 352,700 shares for 3.39% of their portfolio. Addison Com has 11,130 shares. HPM Partners LLC now owns 161,065 shares of the software giant stock valued at $10,608,000 after buying an additional 120,135 shares in the last quarter. The stock exchanged hands with 17,352,827 numbers of shares compared to its average daily volume of 18.58 M shares. Moreover, Endurance Wealth MGMT has 0.31% invested in Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT. Credit Suisse AG accumulated 0.01%, or 71,690 shares. Looking back over the last month, shares have performed 7.64%. Chickasaw MGMT Limited Liability Company invested in 0.07%, or 53,970 shares. BB&T Securities Limited Liability Corporation holds 0.1%, or 98,125 shares in its portfolio. Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT, has risen 34.52% since October 25, 2016 and is uptrending. Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT, traded down 0.58% during trading on Wednesday, reaching $78.40. The legal version of this piece of content can be accessed at https://weekworld.com/2017/1//sell-of-shares-of-msft-on-strength-msv2.html. Manufacturers Life Insurance. The reported 1.32% stake. Jennison Associates LLC increased Corvus Pharmaceuticals Incorporated stake by 475,164 shares to 1.02 M valued at $12.33 million in 2017 Q2. It also upped Xenia Hotels and Resorts Incorporated stake by 33,833 shares and now owns 38,083 shares. New York Stock Exchange PHM has neutral rating given on Tuesday, December 22 by Stern AG CRT. Barclays Capital upgraded Pult Group Incorporated. Analysts await Enbridge Incorporated, USA, New York Stock Exchange ENB, to report earnings on November 2. 715.61 million shares, or 0.88% less from 722.00 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. ENB's profit will be $593.28 million for 26.77 PE if the 36 cents X becomes a reality. Among 44 analysts covering Nike Incorporated, therefore 40% are positive. Nike Incorporated had 192 analyst reports since July 29, 2015 according to Stratton Cintal. Several equities research analysts have commented on the company. The rating was initiated by Canaccord Genuity with buy on Monday, March 7. Goldman Sachs maintained American Express Company, New York Stock Exchange AXP, on Tuesday, June 7 with neutral rating. A buy at current levels published on October 1, 2017 as well as InvestorPlace.com's news article titled, "Here's a Quick Solution to Nike Incorporated, NKE, Stock Troubles with Publication Date, October 17, 2017. NASDAQ NTGR, on Friday, October 23 to outperform rating. New York Stock Exchange PHM, on Wednesday, April 6 to equal weight rating. As per Friday, June 23, the company rating was reinitiated by J.P. Morgan. The firm has buy rating by Bank of America given on Friday, October 23.